Home ownership as a long-term financial investment. Hi there, it's Luigi, and welcome to Catapult Capitalism, your guide in making smart financial moves for your future. If this is the kind of content you like, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell notification icon so you're up to date whenever we put out a new video. Everybody has an opinion on the subject of purchasing a home and obtaining a mortgage. Some individuals believe it is preferable to rent, while others believe it's smarter to purchase and avoid wasting money on rent, thinking it's a long-term investment in a place where you and your family spend the majority of your time. But before making a decision, make absolutely sure you understand the financial differences between purchasing and renting, their pros and their cons. But of course, every reason to wish for and aspire to own a home is valid. With all that said, here's a list of why home ownership is a long-term financial investment. Let's get started. 1. You can save money. The majority of the time, your home or rent will be the most expensive item on your monthly budget. And for most of you, it has always been your most significant cost. However, even though purchasing a home is expensive, you might be surprised to find that owning a home might be more cost-effective compared to renting in the long term. Besides that, there's a sense of accomplishment that comes with owning a piece of property. Additionally, you might receive more for your money, depending on your location and the market. 2. You can have a fixed monthly payment. Rent is hard to predict because landlords can raise the rent every year. Because your house payments stay the same for the whole length of the loan, you can have a lot of peace of mind. Predictable payments can definitely help you feel more stable. 3. It builds equity. Owning a home is one of the most important things you can do to improve your wealth. Ralph McLaughlin, Trulia's chief economist, says a home is one of the most common ways that families build long-term wealth because it's like a savings account that you have to put money into. Instead of paying for rent, you can pay yourself in the long run by paying down a mortgage on a house. You see, being a homeowner means getting to know this guy known as equity. Believe me when I say, equity will be your friend. That's because equity refers to your percentage ownership in an asset once all obligations owed to it, in this example, your house, have been paid off. For example, imagine you purchase a property and intend to sell it after a few years, or maybe longer. Perhaps you'd like to start a family, or maybe you'd just like more room, wish to relocate, or you want to downsize. You get paid by a new customer, which is the person you're selling the house to. If you still owe money on your house, you pay the bank what you owe and keep the rest. Even better, if you don't owe any money on your property, meaning you already own it and don't have to pay a mortgage each month, your house is regarded entirely as your equity because the money you receive for selling it belongs to you and isn't divided with the bank. 4. Resale potential. The resale value of a home is its predicted future worth. It's defined as the amount it's expected to sell for in the future. The resale value of a home is affected by a variety of factors, including any modifications done to the property and the home's general age and condition. Renters make regular monthly payments, but don't profit financially from them. As a homeowner, the money from the sale of your home can be used to put a down payment on another property. Alternatively, you might utilize the proceeds from the sale to boost your retirement fund. real estate is mostly worth more because of the land it's built on, while the structure itself drops in value over time. So, location, location, location isn't just a real estate cliche, but a very important thing to think about when you buy a house. The community where the home is located, the neighborhood it's in, and the condition of the roads all play a role in how much the home will be worth in the future. A home with a high resale value is usually an excellent investment, but a home with a low resale value may not be worth your time and money. If you're finding this information useful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell notification icon so you'll know whenever we upload a new video. Okay, back to it. 5. You have more budgetary control. When you rent an apartment, your landlord may decide to raise your rent, leaving you with no choice but to accept it or face relocation expenses. While home ownership comes with a variety of costs, such as mortgage payments or interest rates, these are unlikely to increase significantly in the near future. You may even be able to control them in some cases, such as if you choose a fixed-rate house loan. 6. You'll be able to live comfortably. Your family's stability when renting is dependent on the decisions of an owner who might just suddenly decide they're no longer going to rent out the house or apartment you're living in. Moving is expensive, unpleasant, and can be emotionally draining, especially if you have to relocate unexpectedly. When you're in your own house, you can rest easy knowing that you're in charge, and that, my friend, is priceless. 7. You can decide your own dream design. Landlords often don't want renters to renovate their property, even if you believe you'll improve it. On the other hand, when you have your own home, you have unlimited creative freedom. You can renovate the bathroom in a cozy theme or paint the walls incredibly brilliant colors without feeling embarrassed. You decide what to do with the place, how it's gonna look, how things are gonna work. Home upgrades often boost the value of a property. Therefore, if it's your home, every dollar that you put into it will be money in your pocket when you sell it. Now, there are numerous factors to consider when determining whether to continue renting or to purchase a home. Speaking with a financial consultant can be a fantastic approach to figure out the best method to reach your financial objectives. We all know buying a house comes with a price tag. You're not only in charge of the mortgage payment, but also the maintenance and locating and resolving repairs. In the long run, though, a home might be your most valuable financial asset, and it can contribute significantly to your net worth. In some situations, you may even be able to make a profit over and above what you spent. So, have you decided to take that step and go for that dream house of yours? Well, I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell notification icon so you get notified every time we upload a new video. This has been Catapult Capitalism. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.